What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV, and this has been a minute since I filmed a video back to back. Usually, when I was on that run, I was doing videos back to back. I'll film 5 vids in a day, all that stuff. But due to circumstances, I'm finally getting to the video. I don't know if you guys been seeing this 2 boxes here for the longest, but we're finally here. We're finally gonna talk about the shoe. I don't remember how they really look too much. I haven't really looked at them myself. I just bought them, whatever the case is. Either way, oh my god, I've been in bed all day, so excuse me if I'm yawning. I'm now like getting up and all that good stuff. But forget all that. I know the energy is a little down, but let's just get right into it so the video can just boost my energy. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button, like the video, comment. I respond to all my comments, as well as share the video, share the channel. Let's get more people on the squad. We're on our way to 500 subs. Instagram, main channel, those 2 links will be down below in the description, so go check that out, and I'll see you guys. I was about to say the next video. Either way, let's get right into the video. My bad for all over the place in the intro. So let's get it. Alright, so off rip, I do got 2 sizes. Size 7, size 7.5, which that is converted. Shit. God damn. Hope that didn't mess up any of the box of any of the shoe, but yeah, Jesus. This is a woman's shoe. So the size 7, 7.5, that converts into 7.5 is a 6. And this is a 5.5, I believe. Yeah. So yeah, that's women's sizing. We'll go over the size 7. Let me just check this real quick. I don't want my box being messed up. It fell on something. Alright. Not bad. So that I have organized. Either way, Jordan 1 Low. You can see the title. You see the thumbnail. Comes in this shiny box. How most Jordan 1 mids and lows come. This is called, let me read it before I show you. It's called Sand Drift Wash Teal Sail. Also could be like a tropical type of colorway, but I had these for a long time now. I do feel like, come on, at some point there's got to have some type of resale profit. Am I lying or am I bugging? Think about it. It's a Jordan 1 Low. It's a women's small size. At some point, girls got to want this. How I look walking into Nike returning this. They'll be like, when did these come out? These are ugly or whatever the case is. This is like a, an aqua, turquoise type of colorway. Turquoise and beige. Just doesn't look too bad of a shoe. Like, that's why I did get smaller sizes. I don't think it's a bad colorway. Either way. Oh, that felt like, I'm going to tell you exactly what this smells like with this shoe. I don't know why. Maybe it's the material. But not really, because Jordan always makes the same type of material. I don't know, but let's smell it again. I'm going to tell you exactly what this smells like. I already know, but I just want to get another smell. This smells like when you take a cab, right? Hold on. I'm trying to get the exact... Like when you take a cab or a long road trip out of state or something, and you just smell like the material of your car, or a fresh car, like a fresh car. When you rent a car or you buy a new car and it has that fresh smell in the back seat type of deal. Yeah, that's what that smells like. But yeah, I don't know if you guys know too much about these. I don't know too much about these. These drop randomly on Nike. There was like a small quote unquote like mention about them when they dropped. They're like, oh, these drop, and it did sell out. So maybe everyone thought the same thing I did of the market. Being profitable. I don't even know how much these are worth. I don't even remember how much I paid. I gotta check all that. And yeah, they just came out. People bought them. It sold out. It never came out again anywhere else. So this is why, on this channel, we do a lot of reviews, not only on hype stuff, but mids, lows. So I thought this is why I waited like a month to do a review, because no one does a review on lows and mids, at least as much as I do, at least what I know of. But also something that no one really seen, so it could be brand new to someone's eyes, even though I had this for a whole month just sitting here, and you guys been seeing it in every video. It's just been sitting here, and now I'm finally doing it. So like I said, this is like a Teal. They call it Teal washed Sail, also like a tropical colorway. I didn't do a thumbnail, which I'm gonna do at the end of the video, whatever. But let me know what you guys think about these. Ladies, if you're watching, I do got 2 sizes, size 7, 7.5, which correlates to 5.5 and a 6. So you let me know if you like these. You could cop, buy, hit me up. I will reach out to you if you want to buy these. Serious people only. Don't waste my time and don't waste your time. I'm not that big of a person that you want to speak to me just to conversate. And yeah, let me know. I'll ship it out to you guys if you're buying. Like I said, I don't know the market on these yet. But I guess also when people bought these still a month or 2 months ago, people didn't really pay attention that the sneaker market is literally, right now, stocks, everything is so expensive. Money is going down. Everything is just going down right now. It's just, you just got to figure out, you know, what you could do in the market. But just one final look. Let's get that thumbnail while we at it. Boom. And yeah, that's it for this video. This video is already getting too long. I just wanted to do a quick little review on them. Like I said, you can see inside, got that white logo, got the Teal white in the back, the wingman. I don't know what color this is, like a beige, but it does correlate. I do like how it looks though, not gonna lie. Girls putting their foot on here. There's a cute Jordan 1 low. So hopefully they do go up and I could sell it for a good profit. Because like I said, by now, I'm not going to return it to Nike. I just do believe that they will go up at some point. Even if it takes a while, whatever. I'll deal with it. Yeah, that's one final look at these. And like I said, they dropped in the Nike app. It does look nice from this angle with the low. With this turquoise 23 on there, of course. Solid shoe. Like I said, solid shoe. That's it for me on this one. Thank you for guys for being patient with me. I always want to say shout out to the people that have been with me since zero subscribers when this channel started. For people that don't know, if you're watching to this point, real quick, long story, really short. When I made this channel, I never shared it with anybody in my personal life, my social media, nothing. I said, hey, I buy clothes, I buy sneakers. Let's make a channel and just do a review on them. That's why you guys don't see me vlogging too much, because that's not, I don't want to go outside of my comfort zone. Maybe in the future, who knows what really happens. You guys see I be going to sneaker events. I do film that to a certain extent. Sometimes I do pick up vlogs because, you know, it's cool sometimes when I'm picking up a lot of pairs to just vlog some stuff, get something different. I know this channel just is a little different. It's a little stagnant, but I'm just being me. That's it. You guys see my clothes on here in the back because I got so much stuff going on. Thank you for the people that subscribe. I know we about to hit 500 soon enough. It'll come. And everything else is going to come. Good blessings to all y'all. Thank you for supporting me. So shout out to the people that subscribe from the first person to right now. I don't know how much subs we got now, but we on our way to 500. So shout out to all you guys. And shout out to the ladies always. Shout out to all the guys that support your boy. And we out of here. And I'll see you guys in the next vid. And hopefully by the time I film the next video, we have some great news. And put that positive energy out there. And shout out to you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next vid. Thank you for watching. Follow me on Instagram and check out the main channel. Your boy Little Roy's out. Peace.